Welcome to part 2 of the Depression Special. Today, we're diving deep into the realization of Chosen, the power of sleep. But not just any sleep. We're uncovering how the Chosen One activity can alleviate low back pain, sciatica, and depression. Chosen is one of the millions who battle with low back pain and the excruciating discomfort of sciatica. But he is about to realize his new hope right under his pillow. It's all about the spine and its connection to the sciatic nerve, the body's longest nerve that can cause intense pain when irritated. Chosen realizes that if he doesn't get enough sleep, his body's ability to heal itself diminishes. This includes repairing and rejuvenating the discs and tissues in his spine. Quality sleep is when the body's natural restorative processes kick into high gear, helping the spine and nervous system recover and strengthen. With a full night's rest, we wake up refreshed, ready to take on the day. The spine has had time to recover, inflammation subsides, and the body is better equipped to manage pain. Sleep is the chosen one. But it doesn't end there. Quality sleep is the go-to for stress management. Chronic stress can exacerbate low back pain and sciatica. Quality sleep reduces stress and helps you better manage the challenges that come your way. And last but not least, Chosen realizes consistency is the ally. That establishing a consistent sleep schedule is crucial for managing low back pain and sciatica. That erratic sleep patterns can trigger discomfort and inflammation. So there you have it, the realization that the weapon that can alleviate low back pain and sciatica is quality sleep. It's not just a necessity, it's our ally in the battle against the depression's grip. Embrace the power of a good night's rest and let your body heal and rejuvenate and conquer the depression.